Hi, grade 3 students. How are you all doing? So, in this video, we will be solving the second science worksheet, and we are still talking about our amazing circulatory system. Let's start with question number 1. Annotate the human circulatory system. So this diagram, this figure shows the circulatory system with its center, which is the muscle found in your heart, in your chest, the heart for sure. So here is the heart connected to all the tubes that the blood goes through. We have three terms: heart, arteries, and veins. Here we have the heart for sure. Again, the heart is a muscle that has the size of your fist. This muscle pumps or pushes the blood in special tubes. There are two types of tubes. We have the red ones and the blue ones, the arteries and the veins. When the heart pushes the blood leaves the heart and it walks, it circulates inside tubes and moves to our body parts. So here we have the red tubes that leads the blood from the heart to the body parts. These are called the arteries. That's it. Yes. The arteries are the tubes containing the blood rich in oxygen and food. This blood visits every part in your body to provide it with food and oxygen. While veins, the tubes colored in blue, are the tubes that takes the blood back from the body parts to the heart. This blood contains wastes such as carbon dioxide. So in the blue tubes, the blood walks and moves from the body parts and back to the heart. Okay? Here we have the veins containing, let's say, the dirty blood, the blood carrying wastes. Again, what are the two parts of the human circulatory system? Our circulatory system is composed of two parts: the heart, located in the chest between the two lungs, and we have the blood vessels. There are two types of blood vessels. We have the arteries and the veins. The arteries carry the blood rich in food and oxygen to every part in your body, while veins take the blood carrying wastes from the body parts to the heart. Question number 2. Indicate if the statement is true or false, and we have to correct the false statements. An artery. So we're talking about the red blood vessels, the blood vessels colored in red. An artery takes the blood from the heart to the body. Did you say true? So you're right. That's true. The arteries are the blood vessels taking the blood rich in food and oxygen to the body parts. Your heart is found in the chest between the two lungs. Where is the heart found? It is found in the chest between our two lungs, a little bit to the left. So this statement is also correct. Veins, which are the blood vessels colored in blue in question number 1, they take the blood rich in oxygen to the heart. So that's true. We said that the veins are the blood vessels taking the blood to the heart. But is this blood rich in oxygen? Do veins lead the blood, the beautiful blood rich in oxygen to the heart again? No. Where should the oxygen be taken? It should be taken to every part in your body. So it's not taken back to the heart. So this is false. And our veins carry the blood, the dirty blood, which is rich in wastes. I will add such as carbon dioxide to where? To the heart. So this statement is not correct. Blood transports oxygen and carbon dioxide to every part in your body. So yes, I do understand that every part in our body needs oxygen. That's right. So yes, the blood takes oxygen to our body parts. But do we need carbon dioxide? Do the body parts need carbon dioxide? No, it's a kind of waste. We just said it. So this is also a false statement. How will you correct it? You have different way. You can just remove the word carbon dioxide, but I will be adding nutrients or food. So the blood carries oxygen and nutrients. Between brackets, I will put food so you understand it. To every part in your body. Since every part in our body needs oxygen and food too. Question number 3. We have a small text with a diagram, a figure. I will read. Capillaries are the smallest blood vessels in the body. So you have here the artery. Here we have the vein, and between these two, you can see the capillaries. The capillaries are the smallest blood vessels. They have thin walls, very thin walls. Why? This way, oxygen and nutrients can pass through them and enter the cells, enter the body parts. And waste products, such as carbon dioxide, can pass back into the blood to be taken away out of the body. I will explain. Here we saw, or we discovered a third type of blood vessels. We said that we have the arteries, we have the veins, but now you know that we have also the capillaries. Capillaries have walls. These are the walls of capillaries. These walls, this outside, are so thin. Why is that? This way, oxygen and nutrients go to the body part, and also waste can pass from the body part to the blood, back to the blood, and then the vein will lead the blood, the dirty blood, to the heart. Question number 1, what are the 3 types of blood vessels? We know that we have the arteries, the red blood vessels, carrying the beautiful blood rich in oxygen and nutrients. Also, we have the veins, the blood vessels colored in blue, and in this text, we discovered the capillaries. Arteries, veins, and capillaries are the 3 types of blood vessels. Why capillaries are good for oxygen and carbon dioxide exchange? In the paragraph, they said that oxygen passes through the walls of capillaries to the body part. So the blood gives the body part oxygen and it takes carbon dioxide. Oxygen and carbon dioxide can pass through the walls of capillaries. How? It's because capillaries have very thin walls. Okay? So capillaries are very good actually for gases exchange, which are carbon dioxide and oxygen exchange, because capillaries have very thin walls. These walls help the oxygen and carbon dioxide to pass through them from and to the body part. List two functions. What are the two jobs of the blood vessels in the body? They are just mentioned in the text. Okay? Oxygen and nutrients enter the cell, and carbon dioxide is carried away and taken out of the body. Okay? So what are the two jobs of the blood vessels in the body? The first one, first function, first job, to provide or to give oxygen and nutrients to the body organs or to the body cells. Second function, to take waste product. I'm just copying them from the text. To take waste products such as carbon dioxide, like carbon dioxide, out of the body. The job of the blood vessels is to provide every cell, every part in the body with with oxygen and nutrients, and also to remove waste products from the body. I know that this might be a little bit confusing, so please, if you have any questions, don't hesitate, you can contact me for sure, okay? See you, bye-bye.